by Sheraton, Orlando Convention Center. We got a Dover Impulse. There's actually a total of 2 here, however, this is the only one working. Let's go up to 5. And here we go. It's a pretty nice dry powered pump. Here we are on 5. Yes, this does do the Dover trick. There's your Dover interlock there. Up, down to 1. We got a ThyssenKrupp HelpLink phone. It's a pretty basic elevator, but not a bad one though. I am going to do a second ride, as Florida State Records suggests these are going to be modded soon, and this thing actually has a pretty nice motor, so. You going up?
Yes.
Which one?
5, please.
Perfect. Alright, you have a good one.
Thank you.
We will get off on 1. This hotel was built in 1991, and as you can see, it kind of looks like a Thyssen because I guess they replaced every single braille on the COP, but this is from 91 though. Here we are on 1.